Top 3. Best morning drinks for diabetics. Starting your morning with the right drink can significantly improve your blood sugar levels. Some beverages help regulate glucose, boost metabolism, and provide lasting energy. Others, however, might lead to unexpected sugar spikes. Choosing the right drink can make a big difference, especially if you're managing diabetes. In this video, we'll explore 3 effective morning drinks that support blood sugar control. They're easy to make, delicious, and packed with health benefits. Make sure to watch until the end to find out which drink can transform your mornings. If you enjoy content like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit the like button and share this video with anyone who could benefit from healthier mornings. Now, let's dive into the top 3 drinks that can help you start your day right. Number 1. Electrolyte-Infused Water. Starting your day with water is essential. Plain water alone might not fully restore the minerals your body needs, especially if elevated blood sugar causes frequent urination. This process leads to the loss of vital electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium. These minerals play crucial roles in maintaining nerve function, muscle health, and insulin sensitivity. For example, studies show that increasing magnesium intake can boost insulin sensitivity by up to 37%. Meanwhile, a lack of potassium can lead to muscle cramps, irregular heartbeats, and fatigue. Low sodium levels may cause dizziness and low blood pressure. When blood sugar is elevated, the kidneys work harder to flush out excess glucose. This also results in the loss of these essential minerals. This imbalance can leave you feeling sluggish and dehydrated, even if you're drinking water regularly. Replenishing these minerals first thing in the morning can help restore balance, improve glucose metabolism, and maintain steady energy levels throughout the day. Electrolyte water is an excellent way to support your body, especially after a night of fasting when hydration and mineral levels may be low. Adding natural electrolytes to water is simple and highly effective. Sodium helps the body retain water and regulate blood pressure. Potassium supports nerve function and muscle contractions. Magnesium, often overlooked, plays a critical role in insulin action and glucose regulation. This makes it especially important for individuals with diabetes. A squeeze of lemon or lime juice not only adds flavor, but also provides vitamin C. Vitamin C has antioxidant properties that can help reduce inflammation and support cardiovascular health. Using natural zero-calorie sweeteners like stevia or monk fruit ensures that the drink is blood sugar friendly. So, here's a simple DIY electrolyte water recipe. Start with 8 to 12 ounces of filtered water. Add a squeeze of fresh lemon or lime, which is rich in vitamin C. Then, include a small pinch of Himalayan or sea salt, but only if your sodium intake is safe. Next, add 1/4 teaspoon of potassium chloride or cream of tartar. For an extra boost, consider 200 milligrams of magnesium citrate, but only if it's approved by your doctor. And finally, if you like, you can add a touch of stevia or monk fruit for sweetness without those sugar spikes. Other excellent choices include cucumber-infused water with mint and lime for a refreshing twist. Unsweetened coconut water provides a natural source of potassium. Hibiscus tea has been shown to help lower blood pressure. This simple, refreshing drink can help you feel more energized. It can reduce sugar cravings and improve mental clarity. By supporting hydration and replenishing essential minerals, electrolyte water sets the foundation for balanced blood sugar levels throughout the day. That said, individuals with kidney issues should consult their healthcare provider before adding extra potassium or magnesium to their diet. Number 2. Protein-enhanced coffee. Coffee is a morning favorite for many people. However, drinking black coffee on an empty stomach can increase cortisol levels, which may lead to higher blood sugar levels. This happens because cortisol, often referred to as the stress hormone, naturally peaks in the morning. When combined with caffeine, cortisol levels can spike even more, making it harder for the body to regulate glucose. For individuals managing diabetes, this can result in elevated blood sugar levels before the first meal of the day. But you don't have to give up coffee. Adding protein can help mitigate this effect. Protein slows down digestion, promoting a more gradual release of glucose into the bloodstream. It also stimulates the release of GLP-1, a hormone that enhances insulin secretion and helps maintain stable blood sugar levels. Consuming 20 to 25 grams of protein in your morning coffee can make a significant difference. This amount not only helps balance blood sugar, but also promotes satiety, reducing mid-morning hunger and sugar cravings. Including healthy fats like MCT oil, coconut oil, or almond butter further slows the absorption of caffeine. This prevents the sudden energy spike and crash often associated with black coffee. MCT oil is particularly beneficial because it supports insulin sensitivity and encourages the body to burn fat for energy instead of relying on glucose. Unsweetened almond or coconut milk adds creaminess without raising blood sugar, while stevia or monk fruit can provide sweetness without unwanted glucose spikes. How to make protein coffee. Brew 8 to 10 ounces of coffee, hot or cold. Mix in 1 scoop of protein powder, whether it's whey, isolate, collagen, or plant-based. Stir in a teaspoon of MCT oil, coconut oil, or almond butter. Use unsweetened almond or coconut milk for creaminess, and if desired, sweeten with stevia or monk fruit. For iced coffee lovers, simply shake cold brew coffee with protein powder. No blender needed. This version is quick, convenient, and perfect for busy mornings. However, not everyone should consume large amounts of protein or caffeine. If you have kidney issues, excessive protein intake may strain kidney function. For those sensitive to caffeine, half-calf or decaf options can help prevent anxiety and jitteriness. Additionally, if you have high blood pressure, limiting caffeine can help avoid temporary increases in blood pressure. By combining protein and healthy fats, you can enjoy coffee without the blood sugar spike. This simple adjustment supports stable energy levels, reduces hunger, and helps maintain better glucose control throughout the day. Number 3. Blood sugar-friendly teas. Tea is a popular beverage worldwide, and for good reason. It offers numerous health benefits, including improving insulin sensitivity, supporting digestion, and promoting relaxation. However, not all teas are equally beneficial for blood sugar control. Certain types can help lower fasting glucose levels and reduce blood sugar spikes, while others may increase blood pressure or interfere with digestion. Choosing the right tea and preparing it correctly can make a big difference, especially for individuals managing diabetes. Green tea is one of the most well-researched teas for blood sugar management. Rich in antioxidants like EGCG, it helps improve insulin sensitivity and lowers blood sugar levels over time. Studies have shown that drinking 3 to 4 cups of green tea daily may reduce HbA1c levels, a key marker of long-term blood sugar control. If caffeine makes you jittery, decaffeinated green tea provides similar benefits without the stimulating effects. Cinnamon tea is another excellent option. Cinnamon has been shown to lower fasting glucose by up to 29% and improve circulation, making it particularly beneficial for individuals with type 2 diabetes. Using Ceylon cinnamon instead of cassia cinnamon is recommended, as cassia contains higher levels of coumarin, which can be harmful in large amounts. Ginger tea is well known for its digestive benefits, but it also plays a role in blood sugar regulation. It helps slow the absorption of carbohydrates, preventing rapid spikes in blood sugar. Additionally, ginger has anti-inflammatory properties that can improve insulin sensitivity. Turmeric tea, made from the golden spice turmeric, contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound. Curcumin not only supports glucose control, but also promotes nerve health, which is crucial for individuals with diabetes-related neuropathy. Chamomile tea is particularly beneficial when consumed in the evening. It helps reduce cortisol levels, improve sleep quality, and stabilize overnight blood sugar levels. Poor sleep is linked to higher fasting glucose levels, making chamomile tea an excellent choice for managing blood sugar. When preparing tea, avoid adding sugar honey or agave, as these can elevate blood sugar. Instead, use natural sweeteners like stevia monk fruit or allulose, which provide sweetness without affecting glucose levels. For a creamier texture, unsweetened almond or coconut milk is a better option than dairy milk, as dairy contains lactose, a natural sugar that can increase blood glucose. If you enjoy iced tea, be cautious with store-bought varieties, which often contain added sugars. Brewing your tea at home ensures that you control the ingredients, making it a healthier choice. Additionally, pay attention to caffeine intake, especially if you have high blood pressure or anxiety. Caffeinated teas, such as green and black tea, may temporarily raise blood pressure and heart rate. For those sensitive to caffeine, switching to herbal teas like chamomile, peppermint, or rooibos can be a better option. By selecting the right tea and preparing it thoughtfully, you can enjoy a delicious beverage that supports your blood sugar management and overall well-being. Choosing the right morning drink can significantly impact your blood sugar levels, energy, and overall well-being. Whether you prefer electrolyte-infused water, protein-enhanced coffee, or a blood sugar-friendly tea, each option provides unique benefits to help stabilize glucose levels and support your health. Experiment with these drinks to find what works best for you. Remember, small changes in your daily routine can lead to big improvements in your health. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and share this video with others who might benefit from healthier mornings.